What's going on, everyone? Today's video is a painting that we had commissioned by a family friend of ours, and what he has going on is a gaming channel called Zero Tolerance. And he reached out and said he really liked the paintings, that hey, could you make one for me? And I was like, you know what I'll do? I'll make one for you and use the colors of your stream and the logo itself. So after I said that, I was like, well, I have no idea how to put the logo on here, so I gotta do some homework. So I started looking around. I figured I'd do a stencil and try to draw it onto the painting. Issue is pencil doesn't work really well on acrylic paints, so keep that in mind. So what ended up happening is I got it to kind of show up in the white areas and be able to paint in between the lines, basically. But it got to a point up in the darker areas where you just couldn't see the pencil at all. So what I ended up doing was just kind of going around the edge with the paintbrush to kind of blacken in the lines, and then I could see the lines themselves and paint in between them. Turned out amazing. I actually really like this piece, and it made me learn that I like to hand paint as well, not just acrylic flow. As you can see with this guy over here, he'll be showing up next week, and he was kind of interesting, a combination of the two with a little bit of a Bob Ross thrown in type of thing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and we'll see you guys again next week. Peace. Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you have a wonderful week, and we'll see you guys again soon. Peace.